am Jay. I am 10 years old this year and welcome to my channel. Its name is Fun Time Popular Bro. The total videos I've made is 9 videos. My favorite videos are: one is my trip to Kidzania 2018 and also balance ice cubes. The first video has a lot of views. The second video needs a lot of patience, and also it's very challenging lah. And also I won. Kaden had to drink a cup of hot water. Here's a snippet.
I'm Jay. I'm at Kidzania, Kuala Lumpur, and today I'm taking this video at Super Burger. It is a shop where you can spend a new currency of money, which are kidzos. Kidzos are the currency of Kidzania. Instead of saying hi, you say kai.
I hope you like the snippet. The biggest challenges I faced is editing and focusing on what I have to do. The tools that I need during filming is only a webcam. Videos that I want to make in the future are slime videos and also gaming. My future YouTube goals are to get 2 million subscribers in 20 years, and also average 1 million views per video, and I also make 2 videos per week. My 2 dream YouTubers are Dan3DM and PewDiePie, because they do gaming videos, have a lot of subscribers, have a lot of views, and they are also very funny. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can make everyone happy by giving a giveaway out of 100 subscribers, and also a shout out to one of the lucky winners. Thank you.